What's good, y'all? It's your boy SRT Joe, and I'm back with another mega video. Today's video, we just had a car meeting. Hold on, let me clean y'all off, bro. Alright, yeah, I'm back, but you know, I had to clean y'all off, though. Let's start out the video, bro. We're gonna do a little walk around, and y'all probably won't be able to hear me, yo, for real. I ain't gonna lie. Come on, bro. What is this? What is this? Man, what was that, y'all? I don't know. With the purple. Oh, yeah. Yeah. There you go, y'all. Y'all can't hear me, but I might have to yell, y'all. It's cold as hell. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Hey, look at this GTR, y'all. Just tell me what y'all think of it in the comments, y'all. Let me know. Rate it out of 1 to 10, y'all. That'd be hard, bro. Bro. That be Sauce Walker, boy. That be. Oh yeah. We got my other favorite car out of all of them. We got the M-Track, bro. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to more action, bro. Oh. Hey, child. Look at this. Matt, they don't know how to slide. They don't know how to slide. Matt, look. Matt, they trying to slide, but I'm finna go. Matt, this is the nigga that was at DJ Cheeto's pit, yo. But you know, I'm right here. This is right here, nigga. This car. Yeah? Yeah, the Nissan. Yes, sir. Yes. And you know. I don't know what he's doing, y'all. We got a bucket. Bucket G35. That better not be who I think it is right there. That black Infiniti right here. No, it can't be. It can't. I don't think so. It can't be. Bro, it is cold as the dogs out there, bro. I gotta wait till they get out. Hey, bro, tell them how cold it is, bro. It's cold as the polar bear ass out here. Like you see niggas with nothing on. Bring the liquor here. Bring the liquor here. Example right there. Oh yeah. And every time I lick my lips, it get cold. I need my chapstick, y'all. I done forgot the chapstick. Oh, we got the chat. Yes, sir. There we go. Oh yeah. You said what? Someone tell him to get out and go park that bitch. It's cold as a bitty out here, bro. Like oh yeah, they don't want us to bring up my health chart, bro. He just keep doing the same thing over and over and over. Watch out. He finna wear that. I already know what he finna do. Watch. It's not even popping. Oh shit. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Get away. Everybody move. Oh no. We gotta get that nigga out. Oh no. That bitch started. Boom. That bitch started. Boom. That nigga got silent. This one to stay straight, not sideways. Come on, bro. Oh, my health shit brother leaving, man. Look. He's leaving. Hey, who is that? That shit sounds good, though. Come on, man. That shit sounds good. It sounds like he got the underground tune, but I don't know. It's not doing a lot of popping.
It sounds like HP tuners.
Yeah, HP tuners or some shit, boy. Never mind, matter of fact, that's not even underground. That's HP tuners. I'm not effing.
Hey, Jordan, you trying to disrespect? You trying to disrespect? You trying to say your tune sound ass?
No, I'm not. It's still good. It's good. It's good, man. Right now we walking. We walking trying to find some. What? Go get the gear. Wait, like your camera, nigga. What was that? Hey, this right here. Put it in the light, bro. You gotta get the GA out. Oh yeah. Oh hell no! Watch out. We gotta watch out for him again. Oh shit. Damn, I missed it. I fucking missed it, bro. I missed that shit, man. I missed that shit, bitch. We got little niggas running, bro. Don't slide. Don't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get little pat. Alright, little pat, good little pat. Yeah, Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh hell no, boy. No, don't. Yeah. Bro talking about spin the Mustang again, bro. No, don't do it. It just got sideways, bro. I don't like.
This young nigga do all fast.
Nope. I'm right here. I'm right here, man. Hey, let's go. Let's see what this is. Oh, shit. Oh. I thought that was a V8, bro. Hey, look, he might be. Come on, let's go see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. Hey, we got the truck over there. The truck over there. Come on, go. Let's go over there, right? Man, I told you. That photo right now feels like saying it's over here. I told you, man. My brother told me this is I was like, I wasn't sure, bro. Yeah. In the underglow. I told you, bro. I think this was Bro, I like the way Chevy shifts. Like when that bitch shifts, bro. That bitch sounds good. They on the top. They on the. Let the fast dude get by. Let the fast dude get by. This some bad shit. Bad shit, man. This some bad shit, boy. Hey, that bit. Oh, hey. Oh, that nigga finna smack that nigga, man. Hey, but do y'all hear that, man? Listen to that, man. See that? I know they hear that, bro. That's it. Like, go closer to it. my cousin do a burnout. Watch out. Who you hear that? They got that one camera. Oh, that boy can whip that bitch. Time to go. Hey, your shit hard, bro. Oh, shit hard. Oh, 12 come to this bitch. Hey, we good for me in the hell shot. Hey, you get in the hell shot. We can stay. We can go in here. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, right there? Yeah. No. Look. Shut down, y'all. Y'all already know. You know, I gotta get the video one more time. One more cam. Let's go before it gets too hot for real. So I'm gonna catch y'all if there's any more current locations. So I'm gonna let y'all know. So I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever I find any information on new locations. All right.